we go. What are you doing?
A little behind the scenes action.
The reason this video should happen, this should become a training video for the next group of people that come here so they know how I want stuff done.
So what happened? You were looking at the gallery and you're like, oh my God, these are so great. Why am I not seeing them on social and other uses?
So when I looked at this, okay, if I go to this, anything that's done great here, I should see. I can't find them anywhere because they're labeled DSG.24. All the images, 10X Growth Conference, unless it was posted onto Facebook, they're not on the internet. Just so everybody understands. Remember, Sherry, when I came to you and said, I want all my quotes on the internet. How did we do that? I took responsibility for what I wanted to happen on the net, built it, and then dropped it on the internet. Now all these other people started robbing quotes and quoting. We controlled what people were doing. So you guys, particularly when you're taking photography, you're gonna shoot hundreds of shots to get one good one. So now you guys need to start saying, why am I shooting this photo? Why are we doing this shoot? Why is this video happening? We're just talking about good shots, bad shots now, okay? You see, look at this event right here. That shot right there, that'll sell a ticket. This one will sell more tickets. Wow, what is this about? It's not gonna sell anything. Fantastic. But you know what? The internet cannot see this shot. Yeah. Some of these images, man, these big rooms where there's 1,500 people in this room paying a lot of money to be there, nobody else has that. We're helping a lot of people. These people are learning how to invest their money. Whether this converts or not, I want to create interest first. I don't really want to have buy your ticket here. I want to be like, wow, that's amazing, dude. I didn't know that's what you do, right? I mean, this room's fantastic. Look how big this room is. Look how good this shot is, guys. Man, it's like, wow, dude, this room is big, it's bright, okay? So what we need to figure is an org board, a flow chart. I'm telling you guys the shots I want in the future. These are the shots. Okay, did Jared, have you seen these photos? Yeah. Do you have these?
After the events, they send links out to the office of all the photos that they've taken from the event.
Okay.
Real estate summit, business summit, these things, they send them out.
Yeah, okay. Now, has the world seen these? I want this to be ours on the internet, not lost. And you guys should want it too because your work's good, man.
They have to be labeled Grant Cardone and be available publicly in order for it to be searched. So we have to decide where that available publicly is going to be. Is it going to be on Grant Cardone Real Estate Summit page? Is it going to be on the Grant Cardone Business Summit page? Is it just going to be on this gallery that we allow public access view? That's actually a decision that we have to make on all of this.
It's about us labeling, owning that thing, and we're not just a number on the internet.
I think on the foundation, we use these and we post, you know, hey, it's a great event, so-and-so and so. If you look on the foundation Instagram.
Yeah.
But anyway, our partners see these, they get to see them, download ones they like, they can use them. It just ends up being a dunk here, and he take the ones we like and you'll see one of them.
Yeah. Now this is Ladies at the Real Estate Conference. See, that's a good title for a promo. A lot of people in the room at Grant Cardone's Real Estate Conference, okay? I mean, this room's fantastic. Look how big this room is. Look how good this shot is, guys. The camera guys.
You know we dominate. You know we dominate. Yeah. What? You know we dominate.